faculty members and dear students, good morning to you all. Firstly, I congratulate the students of 12th batch who joined this college on 3rd September 2016 and are being relieved on 30th October 2020 after successfully completing the 4 years BSc nursing degree course. I have been told that despite this COVID-19 pandemic, the students have performed critical duties in MS Jalandhar, which is a very big achievement on the part of the students, and this will definitely help them in their future journey to practice as an efficient nurse. Farewell gives us an opportunity to pause for a moment, introspect from where we started, where we are today, and where we aspire to be tomorrow and in the future. It is indeed a proud moment for this passing out batch today. The clinical training and teaching are the important part in the life of a nursing student. Nurses are repeatedly called upon to perform their duties at the cost of their own health and safety. The importance of clinical nursing education is undeniable in personal, professional and also in clinical skill development. Through clinical training, the students obtain thorough practical knowledge and the skills to assist the physician in improving the public health. Success in the clinical areas requires the adoption of effective approaches to familiarize the students with the new knowledge and essential needs of their clients. I have been informed that 141 students of this college are serving in the military nursing service as short service commission officers. Hence, my advice to you will be to adopt the best teaching skills, and your motto should be to join the armed forces services as M&S officers. The quality of academic and clinical infrastructures available for you is not available for other students in other institutions, dear students. Hence, you should make use of this opportunity and try your best to join the armed forces as M&S officers. At the end, I extend my best wishes to all of you for your future journey and in all your future endeavors. Thank you. Jai Hind.